Hi everybody. I do not have place to keep my phone, but here we are at the college, and because of my big brains, I have reached before 1 hour. Right? So the classes were supposed to be at 8:30, sorry. And I thought that to reach at 8:30 I have to get out of my house like at 6 o'clock, because मेरे को 1.5 घंटा लगता है. तो आई थॉट कि 6 से 8:30 1.5 घंटा ही तो हुआ. एंड नो बडी, आई एम लिटरली टेलिंग यू, आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस टू सो मेनी गर्ल्स इन द कॉलेज की यार मेरे को तो 6 बजे निकलना पड़ेगा. मम्मा से मैंने बात करी, मम्मा 6 बजे निकलना पड़ेगा 8:30 बजे पहुंचने के लिए. एंड नो बडी इज टेलिंग मी कि क्यों 1.5 घंटा लगता है, ढाई थोड़ा लगता है. एंड इन दी मेट्रो आई सॉ द टाइम, लाइक बहुत जल्दी नहीं पहुंच गई मैं. एंड देन आई रियलाइज दैट कि 6 बजे नहीं 7 बजे निकलना चाहिए था. सो आई एम, इट इज़ 7:30 राइट नाउ. आई हैव टू वेट फॉर लाइक एन आवर, maybe half an hour, so that students actually start coming, right? Yeah, but I'm happy because it rained yesterday, I guess, at night, so it's so clean. And obviously Metri has like a lot of gardens. It looks so pretty right now, so pretty. And yeah, I love it. So right in front of me is the hostel, and then towards my left I have rose garden, right? And oh my god, I love this. It is so pretty. Yeah. So also I know the birds are chirping. It is so good. Yeah. I also wanted to talk about what happened yesterday. Right? I did make a video, but उसमें इतनी, she's right here. Oh my god, she, wait. I don't know if she's, wait, नहीं दिख रही क्या? But she was right. She just passed by me. Oh my god. Yeah. So I just wanted to tell, I didn't make a video about yesterday, but उसमें आवाज़ अच्छे से नहीं आ रही है. ठीक है. आई होप, अभी यहाँ पे कैंटीन भी साथ में है, तो अब उस कैंटीन की भी बहुत तेज़ आवाज़ आ रही है, लेकिन नॉट एन इशू, राइट? सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल कि वी हैड लाइक फर्स्ट क्लास yesterday. It was lab period. It was physics class that we had yesterday, and it went great. Because, so the thing was, it started at 2:30 and it was supposed to get over at, it was 5:30, right? So I didn't know. I don't know why I make this mistake. I've made this mistake many a times when I talk, and I've also typed it once. I've written I didn't knew. Oh my god. And I make this when I talk too. But yeah, I do not know. So I didn't know, and all of the other girls, they didn't know as well, that if the class is at 5, it is gonna end at 5:30. You're supposed to stay in the class till 5:30, right? So we got out of the class at 4:30 क्योंकि टीचर भी जा चुकी थी. ठीक है. और हमें लग रहा था, हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट वगैरह कर दिया था, सब कुछ दिखा भी दिया था, तो इट वाज लाइक वी हैड टू फॉर्म ग्रुप ऑफ 2, राइट? सो आई वाज विद निधि, एंड या तो हमारा सारा हमने सब कुछ करके दिखा दिया था. हम लाइक ओके, हमें बस जाना ही तो, क्योंकि टीचर जा चुकी है. ठीक है. तो हम निकल गए. ठीक है. थैंकफुली हम इस कॉलेज से बाहर नहीं निकले थे. एंड देन देयर आर लाइक गर्ल्स हु आर स्टिल इन द लैब, एंड देयर लाइक यू हैव टू, लाइक अटेंडेंस अभी लगी नहीं है, you have to sit there for like 5:30, and then the attendance will be there and all of it. Then we went back. Teacher comes in like after 2 minutes. She's like, you have to wait till 5:30. We cannot go before 5:30 and all of that. ठीक है. But then I like requested कि please I have to like go. If I leave at 5:30, I'll reach at 7. ठीक है. And then I'm like, ma'am, I've shown you my work also. And she's like, yeah, just she knew my name, okay? And she's like, Ronak, you know what, sit for 10 minutes, read about the next experiment, and you can go. And I was so happy. I'm telling you, I'm so happy, because it was like 19-20 girls, and out of them it was just me who was allowed to like leave the class. And I was so happy. Yeah. And also I have to tell this, that I am the CR. Yeah. So there are 2 CR in the class. One is me and one more girl. And I love it. I love it so much, because you have achieved something just in like a week when you've got into the college. Yes, I'm happy. Also, there is a thing that the girls of the class, I don't know why it is, but they do trust me, is what I feel. They do trust me. Yeah, because whenever it's like something, I get the message. Like, there is a group, but they'll be messaging me अलग से that, you know, if they have to ask anything. And till yesterday I thought I had like a common face, and you know, it's not very unique that people would recognize you. But I have like had few encounters when the girls are like, oh hi Ronak, is the lecture cancelled or is the class cancelled or where do we have to go? So and I've never met them, right? So it's just I the introduction that I gave is what I feel made them actually remember my name and remember me. And so I'm so happy because you know, it's good when people are like, oh, I know you, I don't know her but I know you. And that, it feels good, it feels good, really good. Yeah, that is it. So I had plans that I wanted to do this. So I'll tell you the timetable of today. It is 8:30 to 12:30 we have like chemistry class, and then there is nothing. There is nothing till 4:30. So we have like 4:30 to 5:30 one class. So in that period, you know, the free period, I wanted to make this video, and I wanted to make one more video which I saw I'll make it, right? But now that I'm here early, I am doing it right now. Yeah. So that is it. Also, what else? I feel I do use use so many filler words. मेरे को लगा था यहाँ पे आके आवाज़ थोड़ी कम होगी और सुबह का टाइम है, लेकिन इतना ज़्यादा ऐसा चोपिंग की आवाज़ है. But it's cool. And let me tell you why I'm bending bar is because I've got bitten by mosquitoes, right? And it's bad. Yeah, but it was a girl who just passed by. Yeah, her. Because of which I like fumbled in between. Yeah, never mind. I don't know where I was. I don't know what I was talking about. But yeah, that's it. That's it for the video. I guess I'll upload it. अभी प्राइवेट कर देती हूँ, थोड़े दिन बाद पब्लिक कर दूँगी because I don't want people to know abhi that I'm the CR. Like, I want to tell them first and then I'll post this video. Yeah, and by people I mean Hiteshi. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.